Traditional financial literacy programs are boring. Printed handouts and passive videos have been the norm for years. Banzai provides a better solution, and we do it completely for free. We call it experience-based learning. Students learn about real-life financial topics by living them in a virtual environment where the stakes are low, but the experience is engaging. With multiple courses available, covering elementary-age students through adults, Banzai can meet your needs as a brief, several-hour supplemental course or a longer, more involved curriculum. And the best part is, grading is automatic, and setup is a cinch. In fact, you can literally have your students online and working in just a few minutes. This is your teacher account. We wanted the teachers to be as integrated into Banzai as their students would be. By clicking on the green Create Class button, teachers can create and personalize as many classes as they want. You can name a class and change how many courses your students can take. Once the class is created, there is a black oval which is the class code that will give to your students. Each class has a different code. No student email is necessary to sign up. All they need is to create a username and password. Select I am a student and add their class code. Once your class is signed in, your students will appear on a list where you can monitor their progress and access their student accounts. You can monitor your class as a whole or monitor each individual student's progress. By clicking a student's name, you can reset their password, view their test scores, and reset their tests if necessary. Within each class, there is a settings button that looks like a gear. By clicking on it, you can give your student access to the next course, personalize the class by changing the class banner, and archive or delete the class. If you click onto Curriculum located on the top blue bar, you can view our curriculums, help guides, and top questions. Banzai also includes tons of extra articles that go in depth with the subjects we cover. This can all be located from the homepage as well, or by going to teachbanzai.com/articles. The Order Booklets button is where you can order activity kits for your classes and reorder kits for every new semester. How is this even possible? We can give a big thanks to Banzai sponsors who are local credit unions and banks located around your schools. By clicking on Sponsors at the top of your teacher account, we provided a direct line of contact with your sponsors. You can schedule a field trip to your sponsor's bank or credit union, or have them come to do an in-class presentation. If you're wanting to experience Banzai yourself, we've made that possible too. By clicking on Student View on your homepage, you can play Banzai just as your students would. To return to your teacher account, just click on the orange button at the top that says Return to Teacher Account. We take pride in knowing that Banzai is fun and educational while being in line with your state's guidelines and curriculums. If you want a more in-depth demo of accessing your teacher account, just let us know. We are available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. MST. You can either call us at 888-822-6924, chat us at teachbanzai.com, or email us at support@teachbanzai.com.